Oh. Oh. Got me go cry.
You can kiss Mama.
Her stuff down the streets. Down the street she go. It's the last day of May. Go, go, go. Oh, wait for me. Wait. Stop. Sarah. Wait for Mama. Last day of May. Last day of May. Last day of May, which means Sarah officially have only 1 month of school remain at this school. Hi Faith, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day and I'm out doing what Mama do. My boy is home with Papa today because he have to go to dentist this morning. He have to go Sarah, stop, come here, come here. He have to go to the orthodontist. So tell I have to go to the orthodontist because his teeth, they are growing not in line. So I have to go to the orthodontist for an appointment at 11 something this morning. So baby's taking him. So he's not going to school in the morning, but he's gonna go to school after his dentist appointment. So that's what's going on right now. Have a good day. Subscribe to the Fam Bam if it's your first time, and of course you'll see Tyler, see Papa and Tyler later. See you guys in a bit. Sorry. Hands. Here. Early today. We're normally early on a Tuesday. Come in, you have to wipe your hands. Next hand. Good job. And where does it go? Put it. Put it in the pan. Go, go. Go in. Take off your bag. Go. Put your bag here. Good job. Give Mama a kiss. Say bye-bye, thieves. See you later. I went to the library, read some French, and now I had to head out because I need to go to a store to buy a phone card for Babe for his phone to charge. Oh, and I missed the tram. It's gone, so I have to wait on the other one. And come to find out that I also have Tyler's health card, so I have to go and meet them at the doctor. So it's a good thing that I had planned to leave the library a bit earlier so I could pick up Tyler. I could pick up the phone card for Babe, so I'm gonna pick up Sarah a bit earlier than usually so I can meet them at the doctor. So first, let's go buy Babe phone card, shall we? Let me go wait on the tram, and in the meantime buy a new tram card for Ty because I gave away his own yesterday. So, bonjour. J'ai cherché un câble de téléphone à S7 pour charger.
Le S7 vous avez?
Oui, S7.
C'est USB-C, non?
Oui.
Si vous voulez augmenter la capacité, ça c'est possible.
Bonjour. J'ai déjà parlé à votre collègue.
Et vous voulez voir ma collègue ou pas moi? Vous voulez pas me voir?
Non.
C'est pourquoi?
J'ai parlé à votre collègue déjà.
Ah, ok. Bonjour. Ah oui, j'ai pas compris.
Comme ça ici, et comme ça ici.
Oui.
C'est ça?
C'est ça.
C'est bon?
Oui, c'est bon.
Savez ce que vous voulez?
It's done. Got Babe phone card, charger card. Now I'm going to pick up my girl and head to see the boys. We found Look who I found. The husband and the son. I found them at the doctor. Doctor visit for Tyler went well. And now we're heading home. Say hello, baby. Hello. We're heading home. One is going to nap. The other one gonna have lunch and head straight to school. Come say hello to Faves. Come see.
Hello, face.
Tai say hello to Faves.
Hello, face.
What, Faves, why are you sad?
Because I hurt myself.
Yeah, Tyler have a big chop on his knee. Chop on his knee. Can you guys see the red? And chop on his hand. We went to a meeting with Tyler's teacher. Good news or bad news?
Good.
Good news, what teacher says about you?
She said I'm one of the best of the class.
Which is no surprise there. That's my boy. So we went to meeting for Ty and took them to the park a bit. And now we're back home. I'm going to make dinner. But I'm waiting on Babe to come and tell you guys really what his teacher said. So we had promised Tyler that if we go to this meeting and he get good news from his teacher, then what?
A Nintendo.
He would get a gift that he's been asking for forever, yes? You want to pee-pee? Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna ask you questions.
Gonna ask you a
If
question. You're not in the camera.
So we're gonna ask you a question, and if you think that you deserve a Nintendo, we will go to the store, okay?
Okay.
So I wanted to see Tyler teacher, because it's the end of the year, and that's something that we do every year, is to go meet the teacher, because now with pandemic we can't really talk much, just a little bit, but I like to do like an annual
Personal one-on-one.
personal meeting, to ask how was the year and how was Tyler, how was school, how was his behaving, because it's also very important, and if there's things to improve and all of these things. So what did Papa tell you? If you were a good boy, if you work well, if you're nice at school, what did Papa tell you that is gonna happen?
I'm going to have a Nintendo.
You're gonna have a Nintendo? What is a Nintendo?
A Nintendo is a little
Come.
tablet that is just the screen, and on the side there is little controllers.
So do you think that you deserve a Nintendo regardless of what the teacher said?
Yes.
But though we tell him that he's gonna get it for his birthday.
But I want
But
it before.
but we tell him that if we go to this meeting, he'll get it, but it will be a birthday gift. But he'll be an early birthday.
Yeah, it will be a early birthday gift because of summer vacation.
Right.
We plan to
You
take
want
the
Is that the place
we
where we're
plan-
going?
Yes.
we plan to take the plane. So we say might as well that
Sarah,
can be
come.
very useful
Sarah, no.
for
Come,
him
stay here.
to have it in the plane.
Go for your
So
seat. Go for your chair.
so I'll meet the teacher, and if you don't deserve, what you gonna get?
If I don't deserve, I'm going to get
Nothing.
Nothing. So close your eyes. Make him close his eyes. Put your hands in front. I'm going to show you something. When do you want to go to the store with Papa if you deserve?
When you want to go to the
Now.
store to buy a Nintendo
Not
now.
now. Not now.
Now
Not
buy
now.
a Nintendo.
Okay. Close your. So you have to close your eyes.
Take it off.
Okay. I'm gonna show you what you deserve. Open
Ready
your
to see
eyes.
what you deserve?
Yes. This is what you deserve. You deserve book to study more and to have better grade than what you have.
5, 6,
Okay?
7, 8.
This is a Nintendo book. So you have book for vacation. This is not what you want?
You're okay with getting books instead of the Nintendo?
No!
Why not?
I want the Nintendo!
So you think you deserve the Nintendo?
Yes!
But the book is good too, right?
I want
Okay, so we...
Wait. But the book is also good, right?
Okay,
But hold on. But what if Mama and Papa can't afford the Nintendo right now, but we can afford books? Yeah, but what if we can't afford it right now, but we can afford books? Don't you love math and you love books?
Okay.
Yes, but you want the Nintendo?
Let's have a talk. Are you agree? Okay, we're gonna do some things, okay?
Rock, paper, scissors.
No. We're not gonna do rock, paper, scissors. Look, the paper mean we will go to get your Nintendo. The scissors mean you don't deserve a Nintendo. So leaf, paper, you deserve a Nintendo. Scissor, you don't deserve a Nintendo. Okay? There's no rock, so it's paper or scissor. Scissor you don't deserve, paper you deserve. So with Mama, you and I, at 3, we're gonna do some things and let's see if you deserve.
Scissors is you don't deserve.
Scissor you don't deserve, paper you deserve. Okay? At 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you deserve?
Yes!
Okay, so I have a little gift for you for now, okay? To make
You ready for the gift?
You ready for the gift? To make you wait. Okay? That's for you to wait until you get your Nintendo, okay?
You're not in the camera frame, babe. What's that? That's what you've been asking for, no?
So that's why you
Is that your
deserve.
favorite character?
Yes.
And I have, Sarah, I have another one for you. Another one. Sure, because you work hard. So in order to wait, you get a...
Sit up, Ty. Get up.
In order to wait, you get a second.
Just
I'm
copy it.
sitting next to Sarah.
Sarah, no. Leave it. Tyler been asking for Naruto clothes, so Papa.
You happy?
Yes. There's more.
Yes, we have a last little gift.
You have to close your eyes.
Ah, you will
When
see.
you
So
get
when
it.
do you want to go to the supermarket to get it?
When you want to go and get
This
it.
weekend?
Yes.
You can wait this
You
weekend.
can wait until this weekend?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you a little last little gift.
Okay.
Okay?
Naruto.
Close your eye.
No cheating.
No cheating. If you cheat, we won't go to the store to get you the Nintendo.
Or it looks like I close.
Okay, you can look.
Open your eyes. Oh. Oh. Got me go cry.
You can kiss Mama. And you know what?
On peut l'ouvrir tout de suite.
Ah, we can open it, but it's not gonna work right now.
This is his dream, you
So
guys.
this is the new Nintendo. It's the
It's
biggest
the
screen.
it's the newest one, Ty.
Sarah!
No, no. Watch me gonna cry.
It's a happy.
Yes, it's happy tears.
Okay.
Et la Switch, je vois à quoi elle
C'est la même que l'autre, sauf
Oui,
qu'elle a un
Sarah,
plus
oui.
grand écran.
Oh.
Sarah, this is Ty moment, okay?
Attends.
He's
peux
in his
les
element,
attacher.
you guys.
Tu veux?
Ouais. No, you can't.
Quand tu iras à l'école, Sarah.
Wait, Sarah, wait.
Ça
Wait,
va?
wait.
Non, ça va ici. C'est bien du...
I have a last gift for you. Want to know what it is?
C'est des jeux. It's games. It's games. I know it's games.
Naturally,
It's games.
naturally,
Games.
is to protect your Nintendo.
Voilà à quoi ressemble.
You like the case?
C'est quoi ça?
Ça, c'est pour mettre tes jeux. Quand tu auras des jeux,
I've been asking for this game for over a year now.
quand tu auras des jeux, tu pourras les
Boy,
mettre
Mel
dedans.
can cry though.
Ça, c'est pour mettre sur l'écran pour pas qu'ils se cassent. Et ça, c'est des écouteurs avec le signe de Naruto. You happy?
Oui.
And I have a last one.
C'est des jeux. 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 C'est des jeux.
Sarah, no! Get down.
C'est des
No.
jeux, c'est des jeux.
So,
C'est des jeux.
I have a games to start with Papa.
Mario? Oui, Mario Kart.
Sarah, no. Come here.
I have a second one to start.
It's okay.
3D.
It's okay.
And I have a last one to start.
It's okay. You're gonna get to play with it soon, okay? Wait, you soon get to play with it. You soon get to play with it, okay?
You happy?
Je sais pas pourquoi, mais maintenant j'ai envie de jouer tout de suite à ma Nintendo.
Ah, mais ça va pas jouer tout de
Papa
suite,
have to
maman.
set it up and update it, Tyler. Anyway, you guys, come and tell Felix how you like a surprise.
I
I'm happy, you're happy.
Mama,
Yes.
you really like something
What?
that my niece I can move.
You're jumping now.
I can move it, but it's still
You're
holding a
jumping
bit.
now. Well, all I'm asking you is to continue to be great and continue to do well at school, okay?
Okay.
You hear, Mama?
Yes.
You hear, Mama? Okay?
Okay. Do you want to see how it looks?
Anyway, you guys, so that wrap up the excitement for today.
Cool.
Look at it, Miss Element.
Tu peux mettre la protection.
Wow, alright, Go on to Papa. Papa call you. Menu for tonight: minced beef and wheat wrap. So I put the beef with cheese inside of the wrap. Haha. While these two playing football. Look at them.
I'm sick on. I'm doing my training.